All right, hey, good morning, Facebook. It's Rob White with Spotless. I'm out here with my stepson, Jack, and we are killing it today. We got a couple of jobs. We are doing a little house you can see behind me. Okay, everything that's going on here. Let me walk you down the side of this house because this is something we're gonna put on video. But you can see the mess they got up underneath here. Look down the siding. You see all that green going on, all this stuff going on the siding, all the way down. Look at those gutters. Look at that. Holy moly. It's a little house, but it's dirty. We're gonna get it all cleaned up. Watch these gutters biting up. House, I'm gonna come forward and start rinsing the front. So this is how I do my house washes. I layer one side with soap, and that's it. And then we let them sit. We let them get all that mold off of there, all that black, anything that's growing. We let the chemical do. When we go back around front, I dropped my X-Jet. We'll go back around front. And we'll rinse off the front where we started. While this is sitting and baking. Get up underneath the porch, rinse off all that stuff that was sitting in there. Now we'll go down the side where I just soaped it up, and I'll hit gutters first, rinsing those off all the way down. I'm going to reapply on the back half of these gutters. I wasn't really happy with the cleanup, but the front came up really good. So I'll go ahead and reapply the soap and the mix up here. We'll go back up here and rinse. stood still, be really careful. Come here, let me show you what's going on. See these pouring out? All that brown coming down here? That's a weep hole. We've just opened the weep holes up. So there's really not a whole lot I can do. I'll back up and mist it light and hopefully get some of that off there. But because we're putting water on it, the weep holes are now open, flowing like they should. They had dirt and everything else in there, all jammed up. So sometimes you get that streaking, you just got to be careful about not filling them full of water and running it all over the house. Basically, that's it in a nutshell. We're going to do the rest of this house. If you need anything done, roof washing, carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, wood floor refinishing, give Spotless a call. We do it from the roof to the curb. Call my beautiful wife Pam and she'll set you up with an appointment. 678-870-7011. Spotless out.